Beach class. Today we are going to do something really fun. Can you guess what is it? We are going to make cupcakes. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. First, you need to gather everything. We will use milk, flour, sugar, oil, eggs, milk, and baking powder. We will also need a blown spoon and oven. Step 2. Mix it all together. When we are done mixing, put the batter in the cupcake pan. Be careful not to spill it. Step 3. Bake those cupcakes. Bake cupcakes for 2 minutes. Step 4. Decorate the cupcake. After they are done making, let them cool down. Make your frosting. Don't forget the sprinkles.